If you've ever been hungry, you know typically your stomach might hurt or you may feel hunger pangs. But our brain is actually what controls our feeling of being hungry and wanting food. In particular, the structure known as the hypothalamus. Now, many of you are already familiar with the fact that the hypothalamus is critical for maintaining homeostasis. So not surprisingly, it's fundamental in regulating our hunger and turning on and off our eating behavior. Now, if we zoom into the hypothalamus, we can find two specific areas that are of central importance for eating behavior. Let me make this a little bit bigger. See if I can. Okay, so here we are looking at an in-depth view of the hypothalamus. Now, if we look at area 1 here, known as the lateral hypothalamus, this is an area that's involved with initiating eating. Okay, so if a lab animal like a rat has just consumed a full meal, if we stimulate the lateral hypothalamus, it will keep eating despite being full. Alternatively, if the lateral hypothalamus is destroyed, we'll see problems with eating. The animal will stop eating and will eventually starve to death. And this has been demonstrated in lab studies. So the lateral hypothalamus is critical for initiating or starting eating behavior. On the contrary, the ventromedial hypothalamus is important for you to stop eating, okay, to turn off eating behavior. Okay, this is basically, hey, you're full, you've had enough food, stop eating. When this area is damaged or destroyed, the animal will overeat and can eventually end up being obese. Okay, so the ventromedial hypothalamus is critical for turning off eating behavior. So researchers that are investigating hunger and possibly eating disorders from a biological perspective are really interested in the details of the hypothalamus, a critical structure for regulating our hunger and our eating behavior.